Ranzi. I'm excited to have you here for one of my fun, quick recipes that I love to prepare because it's satiating and it's loaded with calorie-dense carbohydrates to give you the energy, the glucose, and get you through the day. And so this is a meal that I like to prepare in the morning. Not every morning. My day changes depending on many different factors, and I also have a lot of variety in my days. So I'm giving you one plan, one recipe that I think will be very helpful to you. And it's got bananas and apples and a date and some buckwheat groats. It's very easy to put together in a one-pot meal in a food processor. Takes about 3 minutes to make, and it's a wonderful, wonderful beginning to your day. And I hope that you enjoy it. The major premise in a book that came out in the 1980s called Fit for Life was fruit for breakfast. After fasting the entire evening while you're sleeping, you're not eating, and then waking up in the morning, it's not a good idea to have heavy, dense food. You want to have the food that digests quickly, and that would be ripe fruit, simple carbohydrates. So fruit for breakfast. And here is my no oatmeal cereal. Enjoy it. Subscribe here. Please comment. What's your favorite fruit-based breakfast? And also, I have many cereals and smoothies and 115 easy recipes in my raw vegan recipe fun for families, which you'll see at the end of this video. So you can go down into the description, and if you'd like to get that ebook, it's at superhealthychildren.com. One of my favorite breakfast cereals, no oatmeal cereal, with 2 to 3 bananas ripe, making sure that they're speckled, 2 apples of any variety. I love Granny Smith, and I chop them up into small pieces. At least 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and if you have some soaked buckwheat, so these are buckwheat groats, and you soak them overnight in advance in water, pour the water out in the morning, and rinse them. Just a small amount, gives nice bulk. And I put it into my food processor. I'm going to blend it up more. Here it's a little bit chunky. I want it more like an oatmeal. And everything's in here. Apples, bananas, cinnamon. Oh, and 1 date. 1 medjool date. And blend. There it is, all ground up. This is a very satisfying cereal.